Welcome to an example in which we are looking at fraction multiplication with a fraction bar model. So consider the model for fractions, equal parts of the whole area, and the model for multiplication to be an area base times height. So in other words, what they're saying is this fraction bar, this is called a fraction bar. This is a great manipulatives for kids to work with to get used to what fractions really are all about. So this fraction bar is showing a multiplication of two fractions. In other words, it's something, or we're down here, they want us to say it's something over something times, multiplied by something over something, and it equals something over something. So they want us to figure out what fractions are being multiplied and what's the answer fraction. So what two fractions are being multiplied and what's the answer fraction to that multiplication. Okay, well, how do we figure that out? Well, if you look at it, it's the pink and it's the purple, right? So the pink, these are all pink all the way down to there. I know this one looks purple, but it's an overlap of both, right? So yeah, it says the area is the intersection of the two shaded rectangles. So, okay, so the pink is what part of the whole thing? Do you see that the pink is 1/5, right? Because, right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, it's funny, huh? 4, 5 columns. The pink is one column out of 5. The pink is occupying 1/5 of the whole area. And the purple, if we go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the purple is occupying 1/6 of the whole area, isn't it? The purple is 1/6 of the whole area for the sideways rows. So therefore, what we're seeing here is the fractions being multiplied are 1/5 times 1/6. And what's the answer fraction? Well, what's the overlap? 1 out of 30. Because there's 30 total little boxes, aren't there? Right? So when we multiply two fractions, we can model it, we can show it with this fraction bars by making the pink be 1/5 of the whole diagram. The purple is 1/6 of the whole diagram. And together their overlap is 1/30 of the whole diagram. So multiplication, this is a good way to show kids, multiplication is like the overlap of two portions, right? The pink occupies 1/5 of this whole bar. The purple occupies 1/6 of this whole box. And their overlap occupies 1/30 of the whole box. So two fractions being multiplied, the answer is the overlap region, which occupies 1/30 of the whole box.